In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop your videos right inside of Adobe After Effects. So let's get into it. So you're inside of Adobe After Effects, you've got your video selected. How do you crop? Well, it's actually really simple. To begin with, we're going to load up the proportional grid. So we'll select this menu here, select proportional grid, and that's just going to help us with the cropping. We're just going to zoom out just a little bit. So at the moment we're 98, so I'm going to zoom out to 50%. Then from there, we're just going to go up to the pen tool. So the pen tool can be found on the top bar of After Effects. It's this tool right here. It looks like the tip of a pen. And we can just go ahead and we can use these lines as reference. And we can just draw a mask around our video. So essentially what we've done there is we've cropped the left part of the video. If we turn the proportional grid off, you can see we've got a black video on the left of our main video, and that's because we've cut that part of the video. Of course, if we zoom back out and we turn this proportional grid back on, we'll delete that mask and we'll create a new one. So we're going to crop the top and the bottom this time. So we're just going to follow these top lines. We'll follow the bottom lines to make this rectangle. And there you go. If we zoom back into 100% and we turn off the proportional grid, you can see we've cut the top and the bottom of the video. And it really is that simple. And the great thing is, by using this technique rather than a traditional cropping method, is you can make a new point in the middle of your mask. So click anywhere on any of these lines, and that's going to add a new point. And it basically means that you can now move this point, and that means you can crop your video in really interesting ways. So if we pull this down, we can crop the video so that it follows this black line here. And there you go. That is how you crop your videos right inside of Adobe After Effects. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I really do hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.